I'm Sarah. We are here. We have our mugs. We are ready to make vanilla cake. Now, just on my first guesstimation, it costs about 25 cents each, so it's less than even going and buying a chocolate bar. And it is really, really super duper yummy. You only need a small mug. They only make, you know, sort of muffin size, but there's nothing to stop you doubling it if you really want to roll that way. So I'm using the Papa measuring spoons for this. Often I sort of just estimate.
My measuring spoons.
Sam's measuring spoons. But it is important to get the right ratios in this. So we want 1 tablespoon of butter, or, you know, cheap table spread, that's fine. And I'm just going to heat that up for about 15 seconds in the microwave to get it melted. Into the melted butter, we want 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then, tablespoon again, we want 2 tablespoons of milk. There.
It is, baby.
It might be easier to hold that and actually pour the milk in rather than. Shall I pour the milk in? There you go. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence.
Mine's bumpy. So just one of the green.
Yep, that is a half teaspoon measure. Ah, yours will be very vanilla. Just got some flour and a margarine tub. Now, so we want
smells.
3 tablespoons of flour.
Oh great, now it's even weird.
What happens when you work with kids? Half a teaspoon of baking powder.
It was 3, wasn't it, Mum?
Then give it a really, really, really good mix up.
How much was it? So good that
Just
it's
1
like
half
this
teaspoon.
and then some more.
Now,
Like this.
so I've just taken myself away from the chaos for a minute. I'm just going to put this in the microwave for about 80 seconds. Yes.
Oh, mine is getting very smooth.
Look at that little pot of loveliness. Now, in my opinion, this is necessary. Golden syrup. Look at that.
Yum!
Just going to dispense mine into a plate so we can see it properly. I think children distracted me because the kids' ones actually rose up a lot more than mine did. I don't know what I did wrong there, but I blame the kids. Despite mine coming out kind of stodgy. I don't know, I think I got a measurement wrong there. But however, that is yummy, that is vanilla-y. The golden syrup just makes it. You gotta have the golden syrup on top. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, I'll taste it.
But that is just so simple, so yummy, so vanilla-y. Adjust according to taste, you know, you can add a bit more sugar if you want to, but that is just yumminess personified. Do it.
Actually, what personified means?
Personified, like, hang on, I gotta go and explain to Sam what the word personified means. Hit like, leave us a comment down below, tell Sam what personified means, you might explain it better than me. And make some vanilla mug cake. Yum. Hey. Personified is like amplified. Like, it's not just a little bit yummy, it's like boom, big yummy.
I love spoons. Mum, mine
Yeah.
is on the side.
Yours is personified.
Mine's
The word of the
on
day.
the side than you.